Tony Stark.
Truth is,
Visionary. Genius. American patriot.
I am Iron Man. This thing on? Tape Miss Ponce. Okay. If you find this recording, don't post it on social media. It's gonna be a real tearjerker. I don't know if you're ever gonna see these. I don't even know if you're son. Oh, God, I hope so. Your eyes are red. A few tears for your long-lost boss. Oxygen will run out tomorrow morning. And that'll be it. And Pep, I know I said no more surprises, but I gotta say I was really hoping to pull off one last one. But it looks like... well, you know what it looks like.
Please know, when I drift off, it'll be like every night lately. I'm fine, totally fine. I dream about you. Because it's always you.
Couldn't stop him. Neither could I. It's you who doesn't understand that Thanos has been inside my head for 6 years, since he sent an army to New York, and now he's back. And I don't know what to do, okay? And I believe I remember telling Tony, alive and otherwise, that what we needed was a suit of armor around the world. Remember that? Break! Whether it impacted our precious freedoms. I said we'd lose. You said, and we do that together too. And guess what, Cap? We lost. And you weren't there. No trust. Liar.
I cannot help you if you're going to start all of this again.
There is nothing except this. There's no art opening. There is no benefit. There is nothing to sign. There's the next mission. Nothing else.
Big man in a suit of armor. Take that off. What are you?
Stark. You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me. You're not the only one cursed with knowledge.
My only curse is you.
You could have saved us.
I just finally know what I have to do. And I know in my heart that it's right. Because if we can't protect the Earth, you can be damn well sure we'll avenge it. Start with something pure.
You fall back!
Hit me! Something exciting.
You fall back!
Then come the mistakes. The compromises.
Stark. You know that's a one-way trip.
Fine.
You're not the guy to make the sacrifice play. To lay down on a wire and let the other guy crawl over you.
Iron Man.
Tony, you're too young to understand this right now, so I thought I would put it on film for you. I built this for you. And someday you'll realize that it represents a whole lot more than just people's inventions. It represents my life's work. This is the key to the future. I'm limited by the technology of my time. But one day you'll figure this out. And when you do, you will change the world.
Say something. If you don't, you'll regret it.
What is and always will be. Well, I'm Howard Stark.
Hi.
Shake that, don't pull it.
Yeah. I love you, Dad. And I know you did the best you could.
Is this the last act of defiance of the great Tony Stark?
My greatest creation
Or are you going to do something about it?
is you.
I have a little girl. Maguna.
I figured it out. By the way.
Tony, we have to take a stand.
We did stand up, and yet here we are.
I know you got a lot on the line. You got a wife, a daughter. And now, we have a chance to bring her back, to bring everyone back. And you're telling me that you won't even...
That's right, Scott, I will.
You think you fight for us? You just fight for yourself.
Bring back what we lost? I hope, yes. Keep what I found, have to, at all costs.
Mr. Stark? Hey!
Tony.
Mr. Stark? Can you hear me? It's Peter. We won. Mr. Stark. We won, Mr. Stark. What? You did it, sir. You did it. We got really lucky.
Yeah.
I love you, Steve.
A lot of people didn't.
No, I can't help everybody.
It sort of seems like you can.
Something tells me I should put it in a lockbox and drop it to the bottom of the lake. Go to bed.
But would you be able to rest?
Tell you that kid's not even here yet, and there's nothing I wouldn't do for him.
So I thought I'd probably better record a little greeting in the case of an untimely death on my part. I mean, not that death at any time isn't untimely. This time travel thing that we're going to try and pull off tomorrow, it's got me scratching my head about the survivability of it all. That's the thing. Then again, that's the hero gig. Part of the journey is the end. What am I even tripping for? Everything's going to work out exactly the way it's supposed to. I love you 3,000.
We're gonna be okay. You can rest now.